Hey guys, just wanted to show you the final outcome on this 2023 Range Rover full size. So as you can see, we've added the acrylic housings in the back. So that's this piece right here. What's beautiful is on this particular car, the panel is acrylic, like a piano black, which goes really well with our acrylic, right? So again, we tied in the design element of the bumper into this piece and back up. So basically it mimics the bumper, and as you can see, the body is gray, but the bumper is black. So we kind of took that cue and just extended it. And then our ALP, our RX sensor lives here, our TX is here, and then another RX is here. So, but the nice thing is, by having these long extended lines, it looks like a design element. It doesn't just look like a little piece of square plastic just kind of stuck onto the gate. Because a lot of times people are like, well, the acrylic housing is much bigger than the sensor itself. But because of the design element and because of the really long line, it doesn't look like a sensor or anything. It actually, again, looks like a design cue or a panel or something that could have been part of the vehicle from the factory. So on the front of this Range Rover, we have three sensors, an RX, a TX, and another RX. And then the radar antenna is actually mounted on a custom bracket, and the radar antenna actually lives right in this space between the headlight and the grille. So it sits right in here using a factory bolt, and it's mounted so that if we ever have to, we can reverse the process. All right, so as far as the display, we made a custom bracket and mounted it right here next to the infotainment system. So it's right here, easy, so that you can get to the mute button, all your settings, your volume, everything is right here, right in front of you. So it makes it really nice, really easy. And the other cool thing that is really helpful with the Radenzos is that if you ever did want to deactivate the system or just not use it, all you do is remove the face. It's on magnets, and now the system is completely inoperable. So if you ever have an issue or go somewhere they're not allowed, you can remove the face and the system is basically dead.